Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Have you a safe at home and it doesn't have power and lights and all the really cool gadgets like watch winders and dehumidifiers on the inside, but that's what you want? But maybe your safe just has a really small hole in the back of it, maybe like a 3/8-inch hole. In this video, we're gonna show you some tricks of the trade, if you will, some things that you can do to add power. Get a little surge in there. Maybe you got a little urge for the surge. Write that down, trademark it, it's mine. I'm not going to teach you and tell you about this safe, but I am going to talk to you about safes with a hole in the back and how we can add power to it. And we're gonna do that with a couple of little items that I've got here. And it's gonna be something like a surge protector with like a, 6-8 foot long cord, and then a replacement head to attach to this when I'm done. I'm gonna show you exactly what that looks like right now. Let's get into the video. All right, so here we go, guys, right? And remember, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Follow along, hit the notification bell. You never know when you're gonna learn something you really like. And it really helps us because we can keep doing what we're doing, right? You've heard that a million times by every other YouTuber, so I might as well say it too. So YouTube, right along with me, all right? So again, what I've got here, what we started with in the intros there is your standard everyday 6-outlet surge protector. So that again, good news is if you did get hit by lightning, the surge protector is what it does. Again, I looked for one with a longer cord. This one happens to have an 8-footer. That's useful. And to save a little time right here, I've just shown you now where I just went ahead and I cut off the existing plug from the factory. And then I just stripped all my wires back so that they're ready to be inserted into my plug. And again, I was showing you a minute ago, but just making sure. Right here, again, I've just got your standard everyday replacement plug head. And so what we're gonna do now is we'll go ahead and feed this through the safe. And then we'll go ahead and get this attached next. And then in case you're wondering, oh, what is that? Where do you find it? Blah, blah. We'll put links in the description for everything. So you can see exactly what I use. You can use whatever you want, but you can get the same exact thing if you want to. Let's go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to feed my wire through my hole. Again, this, remember, is inside the safe. This group of bad boys, these 3 amigos here, they're gonna go right through the hole that you've got in the back of your safe. Ready? And aim. And I'll twist them so they don't get caught up or anything. Feed them through oh so gently. There we go. Oh, look at that. All the wire in the world. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around, grab those with my plug head and show you what that looks like. That should be enough. Okay. Plug head, and this one uses a Phillips head screwdriver, so I'm gonna take that with me. Quickly. Again, this isn't a super long project. This isn't a massive DIYer, but hey, it's something exceptionally useful if you don't have power in your safe or they don't have a power outlet kit specifically for your safe. So again, 3 wires. And let's see who goes where. So green to green, that'll be the first one that we slap on there. Green to green. So that is our ground wire and screwdriver. A little tighty, righty-tighty. And then I've got my power and my neutral. Not a licensed electrician, don't pretend to be, but, and again, as always, if you're not super comfortable with doing this, you don't have to. You can hire somebody. They'll run out there, knock it out for you, I'm sure. Maybe you have a neighbor. Maybe you have a neighbor named Bob. Maybe Bob does electrical work. Or maybe Karen. Karen lives down the street, she does electrical work. Screw my last wire in quickly. Hopefully while I'm doing this, writing everything down and getting ready to find those links in the description to go get you the same parts, right? And then the housing goes on, screws it on, and then you plug it into the wall. Simple enough? All right, watch me plug it in. All right, now that you've watched me plug it in, Let's see if it worked. Little door action. So you know there's no movie magic here. This is real. It's a real door. It's a real guy. Here we go. Da, 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 da. And survey says, da, 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 da. We did it together. Thank you. So now again, I can mount that. I can tape that. I can what do you call it? 3M sticky adhesive it, double-sided tape to the wall, out of my way, whatever. I can go to A1 Locksmith's website. I can buy some lights. I can plug them in a dehumidifier to go with it. And that, ladies and germs, is how we add power to our safe. If it doesn't have it, there's not a power kit available for our safe. It was that easy. I really appreciate you doing it with me. It's a team effort. Other than that, if you have any questions, as always, like I said, subscribe, like, follow along, links in the description for everything that I used. And like I said, in the comment section, blow it up if I can answer any questions about what we did today. Cool? Keep an eye on it. There'll probably be some more stuff like this coming. And see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.